Sounds reasonable. I'm gonna need to borrow a quarter.
Sure thing, Patrick.
Oh, 1/4.
Thank you.
Business is booming. How did I ever get surrounded by such loser neighbors?
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. This is not a type of tornado everyone thinks. The National Weather Service has discovered an EF6 tornado. This tornado wind speed goes up to over 235 miles per hour. If you see this type of tornado, please hide immediately. Follow these instructions. Do not go outside, stay indoors, don't look out the window, head for a basement. If you don't have a basement, head for a bathroom. Make sure you have food, water and other supplies. If you have children or pets, bring them with you and keep them safe. The affected cities are Chicago, Illinois, New Haven, Connecticut, Springfield, Massachusetts, New York City, New York and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. If you live in these cities, please take shelter immediately.